Hey folks, welcome to Tech Pulse, and this is Java series episode 2. So those who didn't seen Java series episode 1, I will just post a link in the description. And today's episode is a very important episode. Before moving into the topic, let me introduce myself. I am Nishan Ramadar, your instructor for this Java series. I am an Oracle certified Java associate. You can just check my LinkedIn page to verify my certification. And yeah, today's topic is about JRE, JDK, and JVM. These three are very important aspects in Java programming language, and these three are the main three pillars for Java. So let's get into the topic. So before moving into the topic, I just need you guys to know some basics of Java, like how it's compiling, and because if you don't know these basics, understanding JRE, JDK, and JVM is a bit complicated. So let me just go through the basics first. Um, this is MS Paint, and we will just draw a box for now. And yeah, so now we will take this as Java code. I mean the code which you are going to type the actual Java program. So this is take this box as Java program, and next piece is after writing your Java code, you need to compile it. So to compile, you need a compiler. Then this is known as Java compiler. Okay, so this is known as Java compiler, and yeah, here is where you will get the um, here is where you will get the runtime error, compile time error, and most of it. So what if the code successfully fully compiles? Then the next step is we will draw a line and the process continues, and this is where you will get the bytecode. Let me explain you what is bytecode is. So, as I already told in the previous episode, Java is a platform independent language. So, if it should be a platform independent, it need a common source. So, the common source is bytecode. Wherever you transfer the bytecode to any platform, it will run if you have the JVM, JRE, and JDK, and so on. So, the bytecode is the common aspect of Java for any platform. This is most important aspect in Java. And next, we have after the convention of bytecode, we have a last process of Java where the bytecode goes into JVM. I will explain you what is JVM, JRE, JDK in the next few minutes. But uh, for now, this is the process of the entire program to get compiled. First, you will write a Java program, and after you click compile, it will check for the errors. And if it gets successfully compiled, it will be converted to a bytecode. And the bytecode is then transferred to JVM. It's known as Java Virtual Machine. So this is the process of Java. Now let's continue into our presentation. And okay, coming into the topic, we can see a diagram here where the three aspects are mentioned: JDK, JRE, and JVM. JDK is known as the outer layer, and JRE is the inner layer, and JVM is inside JRE. So we will come back to this diagram after exploring what is JDK, JRE, and JVM. So JDK, it is known as Java Development Kit. It is used to develop and run the program. Notice it is used to develop and run the program. Okay, it contains development tools. I mean developing tools for compiling and all, and even it contains JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So this is what JDK is. JDK is the main package which contains tools and equipments to run the program and also develop the program. Even it contains Java runtime environment too. Okay, so JDK full form is Java Development Kit. Okay, next we will be looking on JRE. JRE is known as Java Runtime Environment. It is simple. It is a package that only helps to run the Java program. Okay, it just helps to run the Java program. Nothing else. It does not have any specification. That's why it's part of JDK. So next is JVM, Java Virtual Machine. As I already told that for becoming platform independent, there is a main aspect which is bytecode. So because of bytecode only, Java is known as platform independent. But here a question arises. So if the bytecode is the main aspect for platform independence. Then which tool will compile the bytecode. So here is where JVM comes into the picture. JVM is known as the Java Virtual Machine. It is also known as the interpreter because it will read line by line of the bytecode. It will translate, it will convert the bytecode to the Java program. It helps to interpret the bytecode. It is without JVM we cannot even interpret the bytecode in any platform. And JVM is absolutely platform independent because it is used to interpret the bytecode and it is used to convert it. So without JVM, platform independence is not possible, and also bytecode a very important aspect. Now coming back to the diagram, we can see that now I hope you can understand this diagram. Okay, JDK is outer layer, JR is the inner layer, development tools, set of libraries and other files are development tools, and JRE are inside JDK, where this and this are outside this one, and JVM set of libraries, other files are included in the JRE. So that's what. So we can say that JVM is an implementation of JRE, and JRE is inside JDK. So that's what this diagram is meant for. So that's what. And yeah, these three are most fundamentals. I mean, we can say that these three things are three pillars of Java. Without knowing this, we cannot go further inside it. I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, please be patient for next episode. I will come back with a great episode, and in episode 3 we'll be doing more exciting things. I mean, the practical workout will be starting from episode 3. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Most of them are just viewing and not subscribing, liking, and also, guys, come on, support me. I am a budding YouTuber. So, let's see on a great episode of next great episode of Java series. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.